Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, TR here. So today we're gonna fix my wife's car window. So I bought this, it's called window lifter. And guys, please get the complete unit with the DC motor attached to it. So we need some gloves and prying tools, and the rest I think it's just screwdrivers and normal box screws. Alright. Okay, first you're going to open this door handle. So I had this carbon fiber trim here installed. You need to open this. There's a slot down here. There's one here. There's another one here. So all you need to do is just put in your prying tool. So once you pry it out, all you need to do is to pull it back like that, and then this one, pull it down like so, and then pull it out. Okay, so inside there's two Torx screw, T10. So we're gonna get those out. So on the inside this trim, once we open it, there's three things that are connected. It's one here, the other one down the floodlight, and also I think the handle cable. So what we can do now is to disconnect this one, and also this, and okay. Hey guys, so after a few days of idling and it's the weekend, I'm back at it, and I'm just going to share with you some tips on how you can remove, or how I did remove the glass window from the socket. Okay, so what you need to do is to make sure that you have it in this position where you can see this elongated hole aligned with the slot. Can you see the white round white slotted? So what happened was the window is slotted in. So all you need to do is to get a screwdriver or something that is pointy and long to push, and all you need to do is to pull up the window glass, and it will come off. So there's two of them. So there's another one here, you see over there. So that's all you need to do, guys. So when that is out, then all you can do now, you can lift up the window. Okay, now you can take the window out. Make sure you hold down and push it up outward of the tracks, like so. Catch it, and you pull it out like that. Make sure you don't drop it. There you go, guys. Alright guys, there you go. So it's safe and secure in the trunk, and now let's get back to it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start taking off the old part. It has 5 screws or 5 bolts that holding it. So you have one here, 2, 3, 4, and there's another one, 5 over here. So I'm gonna take it out now. Yes, it's a 10 millimeter. Right. And guys, don't forget to take off this socket connector. And last but not least is this one, the nuts, and the nut that's holding the motor, mounting the motor. Alright, so there you go, guys. There you go. So this is how you take it out. Just comes right off, like so. There's a pin here that's holding the cable, the tension cable, the guiding cable, sorry. So to get that out of the way. And we are out, guys. So there you go. Faulty motor. You can see here there's a corrosion. You can see there's a white residues. So I believe it has some water damage or water leakage. Water has been seeping through. I can see some signs of corrosion over the years, I guess. So that's what's causing it to fail. Alright guys, so now we are installing the new part. So make sure everything is in place. Everything's checked out. Alrighty. Okay, so we do it in reverse manner. Connector done. Alright. Now for this side. Got that in. You can take a peek at the top. Now I want to secure it. Installing the bolt, the nut. There's 5 of them. Alright, so that's all done. So I can back out. And if we move any further, just plug it in. Alright, let's just plug it in and test, make sure everything works. You see, everything works, checks out fine. Alright, now it's time to tighten it. Okay. For you to tighten it, make sure that you do it in a cross manner. So I'm just going to hand tie it right now before get to its proper torque spec. Alright, hold on. Okay, it's done. Here we go. The glass window. Okay. So this part is relatively straightforward. All you need to do is slot in the front part at first and make sure you have your hand inside. Alright, make sure you slot it into the guide. Okay. Boom. Boom. Is it locked? I guess just slide it in. Okay, click here. Click some. Yeah. Click some like that. This side, look at this in. Alright. So there you go, guys. Right, there you go, guys. It is slotted in. Same goes for this side. You can see that it is slotted in. Now you can test. All is tight and proper. Alright guys, so now it's time to reinstall back everything in a reverse manner. Everything is tight. Right, on top. It is sticky. Yo, that's it. Everything's sticky. That's good, smart. Okay, that's the little tips for you guys. So again, when you take out this black soundproofing anti covering, make sure you try to open slowly unless you can catch it. Like this. Eventually, but it's okay. Okay, so next time, it's time to put the door trim. You should want the yellow wires on. And it's place. Right. So now, the door trim. Okay. So put like this cable here. There's a slot. There you go. Slide in. That's so. Okay. And then this cable. All you need to do is hook it up to the J hook here, and pull it down. Then it will get slotted in. Next is this water light control. Then put one more trim. Okay. Ready? And then there's another one. At the top here. So all that's all like this. Alright. Okay. Next. Next would be. Wait, where does it go? Okay, it goes there. All the clippings go where it's supposed to be. Like so. Right. Now it's done. Okay, so we can line up this unlocking mechanism. So yeah, locking. Oh. Okay. Right. Shit. Shit, good. Alright. And then press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 clips. So this will be the last bit. There's a clip here. All you need to do is to reattach. So, okay, make sure that's working. And then slide in from the back. And clip it in. Now you're done. Next would be the 2 screws that's holding the door trim. This is using a T25. And for the final bit, this carbon fiber metal trim sliding from the back and then push it in. So, done. Check all the nails on the fine. Down, all the way, up, all the way. Front center, down, all the way, up, all the way. Okay, that's enough. This is the driver's side. Up, all the way. Down, all the way. Guys, that's it. Thank you for watching my tutorial video. Please like and follow. And thank you very much.